Hey, what's up guys? I'm to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the interior door handles in your Toyota Yaris, Vios, Belta, 2007 to 2012 sedan models. I think the hatchback it looks different, I'm not sure. But I know for sure this is for the sedans. So with these, I went with the Yaris S sedan type interior door handles. They got the little chrome lever instead of the plain black. I got Aftermarket for these. OEM version of this was $30 to close to $40 each, and aftermarket on eBay, brand new, it's only $12 each. So I said screw it, just go with the aftermarket because it's the same exact thing. They ain't really no difference in quality. Everything look exactly the same. Only difference I see is the little red sticker on the aftermarket is dark red, and then the OEM is a bright red. But you can always swap them, so that's minor. So all you're gonna need is something like a flathead or a little sponger tool, a Phillips, and a 10 mil. So what we're gonna do is get this little C clip off. So just fit it behind here. The opening to C clip, if you haven't watched this video, is right behind. So just fill behind, push that clip out. So now that we got that out, we want to take out the Phillips head here and one here. The next thing you want to do is this is the camera. Alright. I'm gonna take this mirror cover off if you got the manual. Just pull on the sides here. Pull it gently. It'll come right out. And then get your pry tool. And it's a little grommet right here. Stick it right behind. And pull out. The next thing you want to do, grip on the back side. So if you can see. Alright. And just start pulling gently around. And then once you got the surrounding area pulled out, just pull forwards. And then you got the little lock mechanism right here. So what you want to do, pull outwards and then pull the lock mechanism, if you can see, to the slot and lift up. Same thing. The next thing, just push it out. Like, hold this and then it just pops out. And get your new one. This little clip, well, hole. You want to put that in there. It's like a lock. Just push it in. Get the cables out the way, and then just push in. And that's it. It's in place. So reinstalling. Just put the wires through here, back to this little piece right here. And if you don't remember, green goes at the bottom. Just slide it through the lock, little slide, and then push it through here. Do the same for the other side. Slide it through the top, and then slide it back through. And then I'm gonna get the camera out my way. I'm gonna slide these back in this little place right here. Alright, once you've done that, so put it back on. You want to put the top in first. You want to have it in an angle like this, top up against the door. And then holding the bottom part out, it'll slide into place. And then just push around all the holes should line up. And put your little Phillips screws back in. Put your back up to here. And then for this, just put this behind, as so. And then just push it to lock into place. Little grommet, simple. Put it back in the toe, push in. And then for the window, if you got the manual, just slide this back on. And then put the C-clip back in this place with the notch facing this way. As so. And then just slide it back into place. You hear it lock, see? And that's how you reinstall, well, take off and reinstall a door panel.